Hello there, this video is inspired by a video I stumbled upon entitled Why People Over 40 Must Start a YouTube Channel, and I'll put a link to the original video in the description below because I'm a nice guy. I suppose every content creator's story is a little bit different, and I just wanted to share mine as a dude in his 40s who makes YouTube videos. And I know what you're thinking, there's no way in hell that you can be in your 40s. You're a hot piece of arse. Why, thank you very much. Hopefully this video removes some of that fear factor for you or inspires you to publish your first ever video, and if it has done, then please shout about it in the comments section below so that we can all applaud you and celebrate your achievement. In September 2022 I decided to upload a video to YouTube, and I guess that's when my channel officially started. I was 39 years old. I didn't know what I was doing. I made a 90-second Android tutorial on my phone, uploaded it got a bunch of views, comments, people thanking me, and it felt really good and rewarding. And then my mind started ticking. For the first 6 months, I was trying all kinds of stuff. I put an elastic band over my head for a DIY haircut tip. I'm pretty tasty at Excel and I use it on a daily basis in my real job. So I did a bunch of Excel tutorials. I even did some life hacks, which I really enjoyed doing. I'd just purchased a rowing machine, so I was doing these 500-meter row challenges and health and fitness videos. I think I'd been about 6 months sober as well. So I was doing some non-alcoholic beer tasting and reviews with my partner. I was even doing YouTube tutorials because I was new to the game. I was inevitably making loads of mistakes along the way on my journey, and I wanted to share those experiences with other people out there. And then in April of 2023 I heard a song which amazed me and inspired me, and I just wanted to talk about it and share it with as many people as humanly possible. So I made a music reaction video, and after making that video I thought to myself, you know what? I'm alright at this. I'm quite knowledgeable about music. I've been playing guitar since I was 15 years old. I've been in bands and stuff. I studied music production and engineering. I go to quite a lot of live gigs and festivals. And I'm not afraid to be a bit of a wally on screen and share my honest views and opinions with the audience. Let's make some more. And 18 months later, this journey has attributed close to 250 videos on the channel, 9,000 subscribers. I've been to 2 Google content creator events in London and Manchester respectively, and I even got a free Greggs sausage roll amongst many other goodies. I'm slowly building an awesome community of like-minded individuals that just want to share and experience great music with one another and don't mind my occasional and unrelated odd ramblings and weird sense of humour. I'm just making videos that I'd want to watch myself, if that makes sense, and at least that way I can never have any regrets. Currently I'd say my niche is music reactions and music vlogs and discussions, but from time to time I throw in the odd completely unrelated video just like this one. I don't know what the future holds. If I have the inspiration to make a video about something, then I'm gonna do it. It could be about discussing what my favourite cheese is, or a travel vlog. I'm a part qualified accountant and work in finance, so I could potentially do some finance videos. I just don't know. But if you're still watching me right now, regardless of whether you're in your 40s or not, just do it. Start a channel, publish your first video, learn from your mistakes, be consistent, try and make each video better than your last, listen to your audience. There are some shockingly bad videos out there on YouTube. Trust me, I've made a few, but we've all got to start somewhere. What is stopping you? Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have done, kindly give it a thumbs up, comment and subscribe if you want to see some more. But until next time, thank you so much for watching, look after yourself, and hopefully I'll see you very soon. Bye for now, people.